Now that installation is complete, I can see the Spigots app here in the installed packages within Salesforce Setup. The first thing I'm going to do is navigate to my user and assign the Spigots admin permission set. Now I'm going to go over to the Spigots app. And I'm going to see that as part of the post installation process, an app configuration was made, which contains a spigot, which has a schedule, an input, and an action. The the app configuration here is not turned on, so the first thing I'm going to do is actually turn it on. And note that that spigot, you may want to turn it on, you may want to just look at it as an example, but it's not active to start. Now that I activated this, what's going to happen? Well, first of all, I will start to see logs generated. Every time the Spigots app runs, an app run log is generated, and it'll appear in reporting, and it'll also appear right here. If I go to my scheduled jobs, I'll see it here. I'll see when it's going to run next, which is in about 1 minute, when it was submitted, who it's running as. And if I go to my Apex jobs, I can see that the scheduled job was aborted, queued, and a batch was completed with 0 batches. So this is what we expect to see when the app is running, as it should be, and there's no spigots yet. Like, the reason we see an aborted scheduled Apex is because the scheduled job schedules itself for 1 minute in the future, and then it unschedules the current instance of itself. So this is actually normal to see. And yes, we expect to see it happening about once a minute. And if I refresh here, we're now seeing that we have app run logs coming in with pretty much an empty change map.